folded your hands like they told you to, spoke every word like it might come true. And though the silence filled the space, I never once forgot your face. You fell to your knees and stayed in place, calling a God you couldn't trace. Every amen you thought was lost still reached me through the dark it crossed. You kept talking and I stayed closer than the words you prayed. I was there, I never changed. So you burned every prayer you made, watched the smoke carry your faith away. But I was listening anyway. You I will save. Ash in your lungs, I felt each breath. Every word you once confessed turned to dust, but not to rest. Ashes to prayers, be blessed. They told you have faith, just believe, like hope was something you could keep. And every time you reached that height, you fell, but I was still inside. You thought you vanished when unheard, felt too small for something to return. But even when you lost your place, I never once turned my face. You screamed louder, I stayed near, even when you couldn't hear. So you burned every prayer you made, watched the smoke carry your faith away. But I was listening anyway. You I will save. Ash in your lungs, I felt each breath. Every word you once confessed turned to dust, but not to rest. Ashes to prayers, be blessed. When you thought no one was there, I was breathing in your air. You lit the match, I held a flame. You burned every prayer you made, watched the smoke carry your faith away. But I was listening